Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 16th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we did hold down pretty nicely yesterday. I was talking about how this may pop up one more time, which I still think it may. This move down could just be a pullback within this move up right here. But if this really is like a running correction right here, like a running flat or a running WXYXZ, the 90% is a target where this thing could start a brand new downtrend. So we definitely do want to be bearish the dollar while we hopefully learn whether this is going to be a pullback or whether it's going to be a complete trend reversal. If we go down to the sort of time frames, if it's a complete trend reversal, it will make pullbacks, but it will not break structure. It'll make lower highs, and just keep on trending down. If it's not a reversal, it will likely start making like a very overlapping pattern, maybe something like this, most likely some sort of a three-wave pattern down to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, and then it will break structure back to the upside, telling us that this is just a pullback to this last move up. So we definitely, can be bearish the dollar right now via the dollar pairs themselves, while we hopefully learn and earn whether this is going to be an overlapping corrective move or whether it's going to maintain impulsive lower lows, lower highs. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.